Today we going to make a video about how long it takes until the car defrosts. As you can see, the windows are frozen. I will start it in the app. The option to defrost is started right now. Let's see what will happening. Car is about to defrost. Yes, can hear some noise. It's defrosting. 1 minute I started. As you can see, the windows are beginning to defrost. On the back side, the windows are almost ready to go. Yes, you're almost done. The only issue with the Teslas, I got the foley on it, but the headlights will get frozen. And if the headlights are frozen, you don't really have good light in the morning. Yes, it's almost good. Okay, let's get in. Here we are. It's about 3 minutes. Defrosting works on the maximum. Windows are ready to go. The windshield on the back side as well. What you have to do, push the brake, put it on D, and it will clean it for you, and you are good to go. Let's stop this because you cannot hear me. Sorry for the noise. Okay, let's go for a short drive because it's beautiful weather. Let's show something from the winter range of this Tesla Model 3. Just one more thing. I wanna start the car and I see the icon is there is really limited. Let's click on it. The regenerative braking is really limited. I must miss this word. And as you can see, here is a line. The maximum power is also limited a little bit. There are 2 points, and the regeneration is super limited. Let's try how it works. Go for a drive. Put it in D. We got 157 kilometers of range, and we have 0 regeneration, I have to say. Battery is so cold. You have 0 regeneration, and I have to say this 2019 model do not have the option what you have in other the newer models. Like if you lift up the brake, then the newer models are begin to brake with the normal brake if you don't have enough regeneration. Here is nothing like that. Now is no regeneration. Battery is trying to heat up. It uses a lot of energy. I didn't move this car about 1 week ago. Nothing. It stands outside for 1 week. Sorry for the mess here. Stands outside for 1 week. Battery is super cold. Let's see how long it takes till it warms up. I got some seat heating, and before I sat in the car, I was start defrosting, and after that I stopped when I jumped to the car. But now what I can see, the rear defrost is still on, but the rear defrost, if it's on, is not only rear defrost, it's also the battery precondition. Yes, we are on the move, and now it says maximum power regeneration, but I not believe that. The icon is still here. The line is now not anymore they are not, it's not points anymore, it's a continuous line. It means like you got full power regeneration, but I not believe that. You see, lines are points are back. It means again you didn't have regeneration. One more time, guys. This situation, it's about car stands outside almost for a week, didn't move any meter for about 6 days. It's 1 degree Celsius in this moment, and the last couple of days it was mean 3, something like that. Let's try it with regenerate. 0 regeneration. We're just rolling, guys, without any regeneration. I have to brake. Cardus and nothing. Okay. But yeah, we are on the move, testing this unique moment. Super cold battery. I got 154 kilometer range. It's also with some, yes, he keeps, you cannot see it, but this range, what it does, it's a snow icon next to. It means this range is recalculated because the battery is cold. Normally I will have almost 40% battery, but he keeps he tells us we got less because of the cold battery. It's like he says you got just 35% usable range. It's really good in the winter time. Okay, we are on the move. We still don't have any regeneration. Let's see how long we will drive like this. Okay. The visibility is perfect, everything is fine, seat heating is working. The usage now in the current drive is 241 watt-hour per kilometer. That's actually not really bad without any regeneration. We are on the move in some city situation. In the city, I just lifted the pedal. No brake, 0 brake, just rolling. 0 brake, just rolling. Okay, let's go around. Yeah, this way. Nothing is open. It's the second day of the Christmas. People are sitting around the Christmas tree, and we're driving. Still 35%, 153 kilometer of range. I'm curious how it will change. Check the curving consumption curve. No regeneration, nothing. Power, you got I got really good power, but no regeneration. Okay, strange. Already driving about 9 minutes and still nothing. I lift up the brake and still nothing. I think if I lift up the brake, then I hear some kind of noise, and that noise is similar like when you preconditioning the car for a supercharge. Probably if you in this situation, when you get really reduced regeneration, probably he uses that power when you lift the pedal accelerator. Probably he uses that power to heat up the battery. That's actually not bad if it's like that. Okay, 228.5 watt-hour per kilometer, 151 kilometer range we got yet, and let's see, I will go this way. Don't ask me where we are, because yeah, I know on the display, but I just drive around. No regeneration, nothing. Yes, now it's 2 degree. It's a bit more like we started this way. Okay. See the power. Yeah, in chill mode you got good power, but no regeneration. Look at this. Just rolling, just rolling. So crazy. I can hear it, the pre-warming. I can hear that really good. The slightly noise, you know, this like you can hear something like that. Or I have something with the tire. No, 2.9 bar. That's really good. 219.9. We have used 1 kilowatt hour, and we has driven 4.8 kilometer. Let's say 5 kilometer. And the range calculation is really good actually, because it's 150. When we started it was 155, if I could remember. I will corrigate this. No regeneration, still driving without any regeneration. Okay, that's a unique test. I don't know how long it will take till I get regeneration, until this icon disappear. Hmm. 208 watt-hour per kilometer. Yeah, I'm not using heating. And the rear window defrost, the rear defrost is disabled by self. My theory was probably wrong about if that. No, sorry, that's a mistake. If the rear defrost works, then we'll defrost for you the side mirrors. Sorry, that was my mistake. Okay. Still driving. Oh, a little bit of regeneration. Okay. Yes, 30 minutes of drive and we got a regeneration. Not so much, but I can feel something happens. That's actually not that bad. I was think will be longer than this. Let's see if I can stop before this roundabout. I lift the pedal. Oh, it's too much regeneration. Okay. Regenerate. Okay. I can already use it like normally. I lift the accelerator and it stops. I like it. Always miss this. Beautiful weather. 2 degrees of Celsius. We got. Let's use a little bit of autopilot in the city. We got 202 watt-hour per kilometer, 148 kilometer range yet, and we was use 1.3 kilowatt hour, 6.6 kilometer driven. Let's see if he finds the way. Not so. A little bit laggy this autopilot, but yeah, it's different than enhanced autopilot. Okay, we still have the icon about regenerative braking temporarily reduced, but I feel regeneration is it works again. Let's try it on. Yeah, it does again. It does again, like has to be. Okay. Actually, I have to say I'm really happy about this. The prediction of the range, because when I jumped to the car it was just 155 kilometer, and how I drive 7.4 kilometers, 7.5, it keeps up. It's 147 now, and I was drive 7.5 kilometer. It means it's really good calculated in this cold, with the cold battery, how much will be the usage. Really good. Happy about that. Okay, battery conditioning, yes. Okay, 190.5, the actual consumption. Tires are slowly warming up, even in this cold weather. If you drive, then they will warm up, and warm tires are higher pressure. You have to always take care of controlling the pressure in the winter time, because it can be much less than in the summer period. And my experience is like 0.23 bar less can be than in the summer with the cold tires. That's a big difference. Let's turn on the okay, that was not, oh sorry, that was not my intention. I just want a little bit of air to getting in the car, to not get to keep the good visibility. Yes, icon is gone. 146 kilometer of range we got yet. We are driving 20 minutes, 18 minutes to be correct, and 9.2 kilometer we have driven, and yeah, 1.7 kilowatt hour usage, and 181. It's really good already. It comes down. I'm happy about that. Yeah, what should I tell you yet? What should I tell you yet, guys? Let's make a summary of this driving, because it's exactly 20 minutes of driving, 9.8 kilometer I made, 179.8 kilowatt hour watt hour per kilometer is the usage. The estimated range was 155 kilometer, and now is 146. It means it's perfectly calculated. You have to take care. You have to think about the winter. You have to expect, like, in the winter time you will have less range, you will have different condition, you will have cold battery has to heat up. Yes, that was for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this information. If you have any question, leave a comment, give me a thumb or a dislike if you don't like. And Merry Christmas yet. See you in the next one.